For those of you that have a John Deere X350, I think this will apply to the X300, maybe the whole X line, but I know for sure it applies to the X350. This is the RIO switch, and I like to drive regular tractors, and I'm not so familiar with pushing this button every time I want to go into reverse, nor do I like it. So for those of you who would like to know how to defeat this switch, and I'm not advocating that you do, but I'm just going to show you how to do it if you want to do it. It's really simple. From this button, we're going to go under to where the hood's up, and you can see where the switch is. There's a harness right here with 2 wires. It goes into that button. Put your hand up in there and pull it out. There's nothing to hold it on there. There's no plastic tabs or anything like that. It just slides right out of the connector. And all you need to do is make a jumper. This is a spade jumper. Put it in one side, put it in the other side, you're done. Tuck it up underneath here where it'll stay. And if you ever need to have warranty work done, just pull out the wire, take out the jumper, plug it back in, and you're good to go. And now this tractor will work without the RIO switch engaged, just like a regular tractor. You're good to go. You're welcome. Bye-bye.